network live tips. We have Sinto Joy with us to analyze the currency market, and later during the session we will discuss the commodities market with myself, Navneet. US market is set to open in a few hours time. So welcome back, Joy.
Thanks, Navneet.
So Joy, how is Euro trading in the evening session?
Well, the euro hit a 1-month high against Swiss franc and ended up versus the dollar on Thursday. Speculation that measures to tame the eurozone debt crisis may be on their way prompted short covering.
Okay, so we have seen some short covering happening in
the euro.
Okay, how is it trading against US dollar?
Well, the euro nudged up to the debt sky versus the dollar after Spain attracted strong demand at an auction of 5-year bonds.
Okay.
Spain has got a good response from the investors. Investors had been eyeing the same to see if debt problems plaguing Greece, Ireland and Portugal will spread to Madrid or beyond.
Okay.
The euro rose 0.2% on the day at 1.3170, recovering from an early slide of 1.3089.
Okay.
The Spain bond was met with a strong demand even as the paper came with an average yield of 4.542. Percentage higher than 3.576 percentage at the previous year. The expectation had been for a yield of around 5.5%.
Okay, in spite of a dip in yield, we are seeing good demand.
Good demand.
Probably the market is thinking that the ECB will not allow the Spain and Portugal to go into a default.
Yes, also they got a good response from the Asian economies like Chinese and Japan.
Yes, exactly. So Joy, how is dollar index trading today?
Well, the support for the euro kept the dollar weak.
Okay. The
dollar index, which tagged the greenbacks performance against the basket of major currencies, was little changed on the day at 79.98 after having lost about 1% last week.
Okay.
The dollar moved sideways against the yen at 82.98 yen, holding within the previous section's trading range.
Probably we are seeing a consolidation happening.
Consolidation happened against the Japanese yen.
Okay. So what are the key supports and resistance levels for today's US trading session?
Well, taking into account the euro versus USD, the first support for the currency is at 1.3067, that is 200-day moving average, and the second support is 1.2991. The resistance for the currency is at 1.3176 and then 1.3214.
Okay.
Japanese yen versus USD, the first support is at 83.04, that is 50-day moving average.
Okay.
The second support comes at 82.70. The first resistance for the currency is at 83.54 and then 84. GBP versus USD, the first support for the currency is at 1.5711 and then 1.5633. First resistance is at 1.5661 and then 1.5715. Australian dollar wise USD, the first support is at 0.9929 and then 0.9865. Thus, resistance for the currency is at 0.9993 and 1.0070.
Okay.
So that's all of the major trading levels for the currencies in today's market.
Thank you, Joy, for your valuable insights.
Thanks, Navneet.
Stay tuned, viewers. We'll be discussing the commodities market after this commercial.
Welcome back, viewers. We'll discuss the commodities market with Navneet. Welcome, Mr. Navneet.
Thank you, Joy.
So, Navneet, what are the major economic data releases which came in during the day?
Yeah. We have the Eurozone interest rate, which is expected to remain unchanged at 1%. So that data is expected in a few hours from now.
Oh, okay.
We have the ECB press conference meet after that rate decision. Probably the ECB chairman will be explaining about the technicalities involved in the rate decision, which is expected to come in. Then coming to the US trading session, we have the US trade balance data for the month of November, which is expected to go into deficit, and it is expected to increase to minus 40.8 billion against the previous value of minus 38.7 billion. So that will be putting some pressure on the US dollar in the US trading session today. We have the US unemployment claims number for the month of January, the weekend at January 8th, which is expected to decline to 405K against the previous value of 409K. So that is a positive data which we are marketing is expecting, and probably we see some positive, some negative surprises in the data. We will be seeing good buying happening into the bullion complex. Then we have the US PPI numbers which is expected to remain unchanged at 0.8%. After that, we have the US core PPI numbers on a month-on-month basis, which is expected to decline to 0.2% as against the previous value of 0.3%. So we are expecting a dip in the core PPI numbers. Coming to the US natural gas trading session, we have the natural gas storage numbers, which is expected to decline to minus 146 BCF as against the previous value of minus 135 BCF. So that will be supporting data which is expected in the natural gas scenario. But we will have to keenly watch out for the technical levels while trading in the natural gas today. We have US Fed Chairman Bernanke giving a speech. That will be at the end of the Indian market trading session. So market will be trading volatile because of these all expectations.
So traders will be keenly watching the Fed's.
Yes. What are the statements which he is giving out, and what is the scenario, interest rate scenario, what he is explaining will be keenly watched by the market today.
Okay. So what are the key supports and resistance levels to look out for the commerce trading section? Let's begin with the gold.
Yeah. Gold witnessed good correction coming in during the European trading session as it broke below the key support level of $1,381. Prices are hovering around the key support level of $1,376 ahead of the US trading session. $1,388 will be the key resistance level to watch out for.
Okay.
So probably we'll be seeing some correction happening at the 1,388 levels if the gold bounce back to that levels. $1,400 will be acting as a key psychological resistance level to watch out for if 1,388 level is broken with good volumes again. RS is currently hovering around the oversold territories of 20.922 levels in the early charts ahead of the COMEX trading session. So probably we'll be seeing some short covering happening in the market ahead of the key data releases. And after that, market will be taking trend from unemployment claims numbers that is coming in.
Okay, fine. So what about the trends in silver?
Yeah. Silver witnessed good selling interest coming in from the key resistance level of $29.40 during the European trading session. $29.80 will be the key resistance level to watch out for intraday trading during COMEX trading session. A successful breakout above this level could see the prices testing the key resistance level of $30.40 on the upside. A successful breakdown below the key support level of $29 will see the prices testing the trendline support level of $28.45. So $28.45 will be a very crucial support level to watch out for. RSI is currently hovering around the oversold territories of 20.588 levels ahead of the COMEX trading session.
Okay.
So in case of silver also probably we might see some short covering happening ahead of the key data releases that is coming in from the US.
Okay. So what are the trends in crude oil?
Crude oil is witnessing consolidation happening as the prices are hovering around the key resistance level of $92.50. $92.50 will be the key resistance level to watch out for intraday trading during NYMEX trading session today. A successful breakout above this level could see the prices testing the key resistance level of $93 on the upside. $93 have been acting as a very good psychological resistance level for the prices during the last couple of months. So it will be interesting to see the prices if it is testing that level in today's trading session.
So you can see some selling pressure coming in.
Probably we will see some correction happening, and probably the volatility of the market will be also too high at these levels. A successful breakdown below this key support level could see the prices testing the 91.50, which is also incidentally the 40-day simple moving average support level for the prices, and 90.80 is the next level to watch out for if this level is broken with good volumes. RSI is currently hovering around the 50.763 levels ahead of the NYMEX trading session. That is in the daily charts, in fact. So we are trading in a neutral range. Probably we can see the buying interest that is continuing in the market in today's market.
So what are the trends in natural gases?
Natural gas is a very key commodity to watch out for in today's, especially in light of the inventory data that is expected to come in. Natural gas prices are hovering around the key resistance level of $4.50 ahead of the NYMEX trading session today. A successful breakout happening from this level could see the prices testing the 4.30 levels on the downside. That is a 40-day simple moving average support level for the prices. $4.70 will be acting as a very good resistance level for intraday trading today. A successful breakout above this level could see the prices testing the $5 levels, which is a psychological resistance level for the prices. RSI is currently hovering around the oversold territories of 56.25 levels. It's in a neutral territory, in fact, 56.25 is a neutral territory. So in the daily charts, it's showing it probably we'll be seeing some consolidation happening. And market will be keenly following the inventory data.
So what are the trends in copper?
Yeah. Copper witnessed selling interest building up from the key resistance level of $441 during the Asian trading session. $436 will be the next support level, that is intermediate support level to be watched out for in COMEX trading session. $446 will be the upside resistance level to watch out for in case of a successful breakout. $426 will be acting as a very good positional support level for the prices. So one might see buying interest returning into the market if it dips to the $426 levels, because fresh buying probably will be picking up at these levels. RSI is currently hovering around the oversold territories of 30 levels in the early charts ahead of the COMEX trading session. So probably we'll be seeing some buying interest probably returning into the commodity complex.
Still the copper is trading in around the all-time high level.
Yeah, it is trading in the all-time high levels, and we have some concern coming into the market. Probably as we discussed in the morning session, there was a World Bank report which came in, and probably indicating towards a consolidation happening in the Chinese growth, and probably dipping in the 2012 also to 8.4%. So that is acting as a slight concern for the market.
So we might see some corrections coming into
probably we might see some volatile trading happening. I do not call it as a correction. Probably we'll be seeing some volatile trading happening in the market.
Okay, fine. So thanks, Nani, for your valuable information. So keep watching. Yes, we have the equity market section with Mohan coming after the short commercials.
Welcome back, viewers. This is Mohan giving more updates about F&O activity for the day for few more minutes. Let's talk with FIF statistics. FIF net sell was their index future around 217 crores as an yesterday, and stock future net buy was around 716 crores as on Wednesday. And we saw some January future today at a closed at the premium of 10 points, and in last trading session, and even other hand February closed at the premium of 32 points. Put call ratio open interest has increased from 0.95 to 1.01 levels, and liquidity at the money options as January expired has decreased from 21.50 to 20% as on yesterday. And a blend of a short coverage was seen, and some bit of long formation were observed in yesterday future, but we are not looking out much upside on the market, as we are seeing some FIF selling was there, and there was a net seller around 372 crores in a cash segment. So this shows a bit of weakness is there still on the FIF segment and for the current market. Coming to open interest, as in good stocks which is move with the good move with an open interest are like ITC open interest was 21.44, an increase in a price of 0.09, and Tata Motors open interest was 9.79, an increase in a price of 0.70. Ambuja Cement open interest of 5.15, an increase in a price of 3.02. ONGC open interest was 7.47, an increase in a price of 0.79. ACC open interest was 6.69, an increase in a price of 0.65. Grasim open interest was 5.25, an increase in a price of 2.1001. And Petronet open interest was 10.55, an increase in a price of 0.16. And other stocks like GE Ship, Adani Power, Crane, Central Bank, Punj Lloyd, IB Real Estate are done good movement for the upper end. And the flip side, we saw some sale as open interest of 25.52 with decrease in a price of 2.99. And ICICI Bank open interest was 12.42 with a decrease in a price of around 4.72. Infosys open interest was 10.76 and increase in a price of decrease in a price of 3%. And TCS open interest was 17.99 and decrease in a price of 0.86. Axis Bank open interest was 11.51 and decrease in a price of 3.64. Wipro open interest was 11.93 with a decrease in a price of 3.25. HCL Technology 21.42 with a decrease in a price of 3.38. GAIL open interest was 21.94 with a decrease in a price of 2%. And other stocks like Tata Power, Dr. Reddy, SBI Bank, 90BC, S Bank, HDFC, LT are down movement for the day. And this is all about the F&O statistics. That's all we know for the new now viewers. We'll be back with more news and updates tomorrow. Till then, this is Mohan saying goodbye from Live Market Research Limited.